Hello students, welcome to Pathak's Computer Academy online classes. We already learned about conditional statements in Python as well as looping statements in Python. Today we will cover a small topic, that is control statements in Python, that are actually used in either conditional statement or looping statement. But more you will see that in looping statement, these control statements are present everywhere. Okay. So the content today we will cover the introduction about the control statement, and then the three types of control statements used in Python, that are continue, break, and pass. Like C, there is no such go-to statement. Okay. So what are control statements? As the name suggests, loop control statements change execution from its normal sequence. Whenever there is a need to break and come out from the loop, then control statement can be used. When in some situation, the body of the loop is not going to be executed, then control statements are used. And when sometimes there is no logic defined till, but developer know that there will be a loop or class or any function in the program, then control statement can be used. We will learn each of them one by one. So, continue statement, as the name suggests, when a program encounters a continue statement in Python, it skips the execution. For what? For the current iteration, and move to the next iteration. It does not come out from the loop. Finally, no, just if the condition is true, then the rest part of the loop are ignored and move to the next iteration. That's it. Okay. So in simple terms, you can say that like this. It returns the control to the beginning of the loop. Here you can see the example. I have given a very small and simple example to understand. There is a loop, for loop. There is a variable ch, and there is a string sequence, that is Pathak. So whenever ch variable gets a value, then what is to be done? You have to move to the next iteration, that is continue. Otherwise, you have to print that particular character. So if we run this program, it will print P, A will be ignored, then move to the T will be printed, then H will be the printed. Again, A is encountered, so it will be ignored, and at last K will be printed just after H. So clear? If some situation arises for some condition that should be ignored, then continue statement can be used. I'm going to give you the practical scenario. Okay. So I'm going to open a new file. For loop ch in what? The string, that is Pathak. Now, to start the body of the loop, you have to apply colon. Automatically, the indentation will followed by the interpreter itself. You don't need to be worried about that. Now, there is a condition if ch is equal to what? A. If such condition is arise, then you have to be ignore that and ignore the part of the rest of the part of the looping and move to the next iteration. So I am going to put continue, and then if there's no such condition is true, so I want to print the value of a particular character ch. Okay. So current variable value is what? If you want to concatenate in string, then you have to apply comma, and then you have to give the variable name. That's it. Now I'm going to save that program. Okay. Let's take him continue .py. Now to run, I have to press F5 or what? Go to the run section, then click on run module. This will execute my program. Here you can see that P will be printed. Now A is ignored, then T, then H, then K. I think it is very clear to you. What is the use of continue statement? Okay. Now moving further, break statement. As the name suggests, again, the Python is used to terminate the loop. Okay, then break will be used. In break, or you can say that break can be used in both of the looping statement, either for or what? Either while. But especially it is used in where? For loop. Clear? In general, you will see that in nested loop, break is more often used. It terminates the inner loop and control shift to the statement in the outer loop. Clear? So here I have put both example related to for as well as related to while. Again, program is same, but answer will different. Why? Because of the use of break instead of continue. So, loop, move on, P will given to the variable letter. So, letter will be checked whether it is equal to T. No. Then print the current value. So, it will print P, then A. Now, T will given to the letter on the third time. Now letter is equal to T. Yes. So break. Break means come out from the loop and continue with the rest of the program. So it will print only what? P and A. Here you can see the another example, but by using what? While. A variable is taken and the value is 5. Loop will continue till V is greater than 0. So 5 is greater than 0. Yes. Come down to the body of the loop. Current value will be printed. So 5 will printed. Now V is equal to V minus 1. So V equal to 4. Now here it is condition is to be checked. If V is equal to 2, no, V is right now is 4. So this will not execute it. Move on further. Now V is equal to 4. 4 is greater than 0. Yes. So 4 will be printed. Now 4, V is equal to V minus 1. So V is equal to 3. Whether V is equal to 2? No. Again, move to the while loop. Now 3 is greater than 0. Yes. So again 3 will be printed. Now V is equal to V minus 1. Now V is equal to 2. So here this condition will be true now. So break. So come out from the loop. Rest of the loop will not continue. So it will print only 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 will not be printed because of what? Break condition. Clear? You can see, I'm going to show you. Here, just I'm going to put break. Okay. Now, it will print only P. Why? Because just after P, A will encounter and it is equal to CH. So, break will executed and the control will come out from the loop. Now, I'm going to save it and run it. You will see only one value will be printed, that is, I think it is very clear to you. Whenever in some situation you have to come out from the loop, then break can be used. And at last, this is the new thing which is generally in not available in other programming languages, that is pass. Pass statement is a null operator. It is used when the programmer wants to do nothing when the condition is satisfied. Okay, because you know that you cannot left out empty body with anything, either in loop body or function or class. So here I have put it a note. Why pass is used? Because it is generally asked in interviews or in small question. The pass statement is used as a placeholder for future code. Right now, you don't know what will happen or what to do when this condition will encounter. But you definitely know that in the future, you know the answer. Then you have to put that code. So for that purpose, programmer generally used pass. Okay. So here I have taken again the same example. Again, a loop is executed if, sorry, this is not to be done. Okay. Because CH is the variable. If CH is equal to A, then you have to what? Pass. I don't know the logic what to do when CH value is A. So for right now, I have just put it pass. Other than this, you have to print what? CH. So it will print the whole thing. Okay, you will see. Here I have put it what? Pass. Now you will see that neither the statement will ignored like continue, nor it control will come out from the loop. It will just pass that statement. That's it. Okay, because you don't know right now what to do if CH is equal to A. Okay. So here you will see all the letters will come out. PATHAK. Clear? So that's it from the control statement. Okay. I think it is very clear to you when to use continue statement, when to use break, and when pass will be included. In the next class, we will discuss list data type in detail. I already discussed various data types in previous lecture, but now we will discuss list in a greater detail. What can we do with the list data type? So for now, thank you so much.